We're getting towards the end of all this class stuff. We're going to talk about inheritance in this video. We're almost there. So in JavaScript, we can have a class that inherits from some other parent class. It can share functionality with another class. So with this player example, maybe I want to have another class, I don't know, an admin player. Or not a moderator, like a super player. If this is an online game, we have regular old players, and then we have some special players that have special powers that can actually go through and moderate people's behavior, or they can enable certain things in the game world. Anyway, let's call that admin player. So I can define that class, admin player. And the whole idea of inheritance is that if I want shared functionality, I want an admin player to have a score, num lives, first, last, all this stuff. I don't have to rewrite it. I don't have to copy this and paste it all in here. And, it's a pain for everyone, especially if I need to change something. It's a huge pain to change it in multiple places. So we can use the extends keyword. We can extend a base class, in our case, player. Extends player. Just like that. And technically, that's all I need. Now, when I instantiate a new admin player, let's get rid of player one. Let's get rid of all this stuff for just a moment. Let's do new admin player. Just like that. Const admin equals new admin player. Over here, I have access to my admin. And it has a first and a last. They're undefined, but those properties exist. Num live, score, secret, full name score, all that stuff is there. So typically, we wouldn't inherit or extend from a class if we didn't plan on also adding on to it. Otherwise, why not just use player as it is? So we can add on, right? I could add a different property in here, like a really simple one. Let's use a class field, is admin equals true. Let's just do that, and only that. So now an admin player has everything from player plus this one additional property. And if we look at admin, we see all that stuff, but is admin is there and it's set to true. Okay, so that's our first example of the extends keyword, extending from a base class or a parent class or a super class. They all refer to this class, in this case, player. And I should mention, we have access to all the same functionality, so all the methods. I can call taunt, for example, player, or admin rather, dot taunt. So that's defined on the player class, not the admin player, but I still have access to it. So yes, we don't have a value for first and last because we didn't provide that yet, but we do have all the methods. We have taunt, we have lose life and update score, all this stuff that was defined on player. We get it for free in our admin player because we extend player.